Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home and your study is going well. In the science we have completed chapter 4 and that after chapter 13. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is the chapter 16, garbage in and garbage out. So in this chapter we will discuss about the waste and waste management. So first we will discuss the waste and type of wastes in this video. So our first topic is that waste. What is the waste? A question comes in the mind. When you look at your home, you will find there are many things kept here and there and they have no use for a long time. So same way, anything that do not have any use for long times are not used from long times, that is called waste. And we generally throw it out. So you can define the waste as anything which we throw away. Away is called waste. Like from your notebook you are writing and if there is some mistake you tear the page and throw it. So that paper, that bits of paper is a type of waste. So waste is anything which we throw on the basis of the state of waste. For example, that waste, the bit of paper is solid. So this solid waste is called garbage. So all the solid waste, that is also called municipal solid waste, we call it commonly garbage. Now we will discuss what is the source of this solid waste. They comes from our houses, our homes, our surroundings. For example, the leaves of tree that fallen in our backyard, that is also a type of waste which is found in a solid waste. Human excreta, that is also a solid waste. So this all waste which are in solid state are called garbage. The next is that liquid waste. While taking the bath, where this water goes, this is going to out of our home, that is a waste because we are throwing it, and so this liquid waste is called sewage. So you can say the waste can be divided into two groups, solid waste and liquid waste on the basis of their state. In solid waste, newspaper, human excreta, peels of vegetables, it will come. In liquid waste, the water from our kitchen or bathroom is called liquid waste or sewage that flow through the sewer. Now another way of classifying the waste is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. That is depending on how these waste decompose in nature. If a waste decompose in nature very easily without harming our nature, without producing any harmful substances, is called biodegradable waste. For example, leaves of tree that falling in our backyard, if you keep it below the soil, it will decompose very easily and change into the manure. So these all are called biodegradable waste. But some wastes are there which do not decompose or take too much time to decompose it, are called non-biodegradable waste. Like the pesticides, DDT is the one of the pesticides. Now it is banned in India because it do not degrade even in a many of years. Plastic, it is also the same. It do not decompose in many years. So they are called non-biodegradable waste. So in this video we have discussed what is the waste, type of wastes, the management of waste we will discuss in the another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.